Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 10.2, problem number 5. Look at the question. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meter and its length be 8 meters, find the cost of painting it on the outside at rate of 20 rupees per meter square. So here we have to find the cost of painting, and with the use of this information, so what we have, a storage tank, so which is in the form of a circular cylinder and the ends be like a hemisphere. Okay, so this is a right circular cylinder or circular cylinder we call. So this is the hemisphere ends, these are the hemisphere ends we are having. Okay, right. So we have to find the cost to paint this storage tank. Okay, right. So what is the given information? The length of tank is 8 meters and given diameter of the cylinder, 1.4, nothing but, so this is given 1.4 meter. Okay, isn't it? So we can draw like this also, this diagram. Instead of writing all that, we can draw roughly like this also. Okay, right. This is a water tank, consider this, or storage tank, whatever may be. Right. So the given information we have to find the cost of painting. So per each meter square we need 20 rupees. So first of all we have to calculate the total surface area of this tank. Okay, right. So total surface area of the tank is equals to, so what are the figures included here? It is a combination of right circular cylinder and two hemisphere, isn't it? So that is why CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the hemisphere. So how many hemispheres we are having here? 2 hemispheres. That is why we need to multiply with 2. Okay, or else we can write in 2 in front also. Okay, right. So we have to find first of all CSA of the cylinder. So CSA of the cylinder. So what is the formula? 2 pi RH is the formula for CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder. So what is the R value? So nothing but D by 2. We have diameter. What is the diameter here? 1.4 meters. Okay. So D value given as 1.4 meters by 2, nothing but this becomes 0.7 meter. Okay, 2 ones are 2 0.7s. So R value we got 0.7 meters. Right. Next, length. So here this H is nothing but height is considered as length here, because the tank in the horizontal form. Okay, that is why we are taking this length as height here. So H is nothing but here 8 meters. Okay, now we can substitute these values in the given formula. We'll get the CSA of the required cylinder. Okay, right. So what is that? CSA of the cylinder, that is equals to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into R value 0.7 meters into H value 8 meters, isn't it? So what we can write? 2 into 22 by 7 into the 0.7 we can write 7 by 10 meters into 8 meters, 7 gets cancelled. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. So 22 into 2, 44, 44 into 8, 8 4 32, and 8 4 32, 35. So 352 meter into meter, meter square by 10 as this. Okay, this we can write 35.2 meter square. If I remove this denominator 10, we can take a decimal point in front of one decimal place. Okay, so CSA of cylinder 35.2 meter square. Now we go for CSA of the hemispheres. Okay, right, write down here 35.2 meter square is the cylinder's curved surface area. Right. Next we go for CSA of the hemisphere. What is the formula? 2 pi r square is the formula for curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay, right, nothing but, so r value, so again same, the diameter of the cylinder and the hemisphere both are coincidence, that is why r is equals to d by 2, d is nothing but 1.4 meter by 2, this becomes 0.7 meters, 2 ones are 2 0.7. Okay, right, r value same, so substitute the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into r value 0.7 meters whole square, so what becomes, so it is 44 into this we can write 0.7 meter into 0.7 meter by 7, that we can write 44 into 7 by 10, and here it is 7, and 7 by 10 here, meter into meter. Okay, so 7 gets cancelled, 44 into 7, 44 into meter, meter square, 7 meter square here, 10 tens 100. So we need to multiply 44 into 7, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours 28, 30, 308, is it 7 fours 28, 8 here to here, 7 fours 28, 30, 30, 308, okay. So 308 meter square by 100. Okay, this we can write, if I remove this 100 in the denominator, we can write, we can take a decimal point in front of 2 digits, so it becomes 3.08 meter square. This is the CSA of hemisphere. Okay, what is that? 3.08 meter square we got CSA of the one hemisphere. So we have two hemispheres at two ends. Okay, here one, here it is one. Okay, so we need to multiply this 2 into 3.08 meter square. What becomes 3.08, 3.08, 6, so 6.16 meter square is the CSA of the hemisphere, isn't it? Is it clear? Right. Now what is the required? So we need to find TSA of the storage tank is equals to CSA of the cylinder plus 2 into CSA of the, what is that? Hemisphere. We have two hemisphere, that is why multiplying with hemisphere. Okay, already we got this part as a 6.16. okay, so this we got already 6.16. okay, right. So CS of the cylinder is 35.2 meter square we got, plus this value 2 into hemisphere surface area, here it is 6.16 meter square. So take the addition here, 35.2 plus 6.16, here it is 6, 3, 11, 1 carry, so 41.36 meter square, is it correct? 6, 3, 11, 1 here, 4, okay. So 41.36 meter square is the total surface area of the tank, okay. So for 1 meter square area we need 20 rupees, okay. To paint 1 meter square area we pay the 20 rupees. So for 41.36 meter square area, how much it cost? Right, we shall find that. Write down here clearly. Per 1 meter square area, okay, write down clearly. To paint 1 meter square area, we charge rupees 20. So to paint 41.36 meter square area we need to find, okay. So what we do here, so we need to multiply with 41.36 meter square into 20 rupees, okay. So how much it cost? So 41.36 into 20. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry. 2 3 are 9, 10, 1 here. 2 1 are 2, 3. 2 4 are 8. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 8. Is it correct? Shall check once again. 41.36, 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 6 are 12, 1 here. 2 3 are 6, 7 here, okay. Right. So it is 837.20. So 837.20, decimal point in front of 2 digits. So here it is. So rupees 837.2. So to paint 41.36 meter square area we need 837.2 rupees, okay. It means, so to paint the entire tank we need 837.2 rupees, okay. This is the problem. Pause the video and write the notes.